Peggy Harty's in there. How are you, Peggy? Marcel Dotman is in there as well. A few people jumping in on it there. Julia Arthur, Raymond Smith, Leona's in there as well. I have a new phone, I can't use it. Sydney Deering is in there as well. Good morning from Seattle. Nice one. Are you, Julia? Okay, let me see if I can figure out to use this. So I'm on Facebook and I'm on YouTube and Twitch tonight. Facebook's looking okay, and I'm doing the amalgamated chat there as well. So let's see if that's gonna work. Let me see here. Okay, YouTube. How's everyone's Sunday going? How are you at? So over there on YouTube there as well. Good evening from Poland and Ukraine. Was that Anastasia? Is that? I think I remember that spelling, that crazy spelling that I don't understand. Okay. Just give me a second here. I'll take off this guitar for a second. Let me know if you can see that chat there. It's not coming up. It's not coming up here for myself there. And let me know if you can hear me there as well. Can everyone hear me? Hear me there? Okay, everything. Sarah Louise Locklear is in there as well. Lena Western and thanks for sharing that, Marcel. If you feel like sharing it there, Sherry Shinan is in there as well. Bernadette, Brian Lenihan, Jean McNulty is in there as well. Bianca Holly. Okay, let's get the old guitar and see how we sound. And then I'll get back up the old the chat here. Okay, I'll start off here with maybe a noise. Bit of Go Lassie Go. I watched that out. I watched Wild Mountain Thyme with Emily Blunt and what's his name? The man from Mad Mad is in it, and more cowbell. What's his name? Oh Jesus, I can't think of it. And yes, indeed, Catherine Bryant. Happy New Year there to everybody. If you haven't said it already, there, Happy New Year. Hope the first week of the new year, 2022, was going okay for you, and not a super duper start, I suppose, but you know. If we're still here, then that's not too bad. Still above ground, as the father says. And Mikhail is in there as well. How are you getting on, pal? What's the story? I hope you're having a good one. All sounding and looking mighty fan on Facebook. Thanks, Lena. I'll do a song here anyway and see. John Dawson is watching there as well. And right, I'll do a song here before I don't do anything. Usually I didn't have much time to set the sound here. Well, the summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'd all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? I would build my love bower near yon pure crystal fountain, and on it I will pile all the flowers of the mountain. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'd all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? my true love she were gone, I would surely find another where the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go, and we'd all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go? Thanks very much. There's a song called Go Lassie Go, and I said I watched that film Wild Mountain Thyme there. You know, it's terrible, but it's actually alright, if you get me. I think Emily Blunt's Irish accent is actually pretty cool, you know. She did a great job on it. So Kieran Coleman is watching there. How are you getting on? Yvonne Doppman is watching there as well. Niall Moore, better late than never, I suppose, pal. That's exactly my motto, Niall. I'm not too... Oh, Jesus, I am. I'm fairly late. So you know yourself, pal, technical difficulties all the time. It's never ending, you know. Sabine Callan is in there as well. You look a bit tired. Hope you're okay. I'm absolutely bollocks. I don't know why. I had loads of rest, but I'm just getting old, Sabine, basically. It's when, you know, you just look tired all the time. I'm Mairead is watching, the old cuz is watching. Mairead, hope you had a good Christmas and a good New Year. Rebecca Jackie Hope there is in there as well. How are you, Rebecca? Hope you're okay. You're having a good 2022, the first year of it, or the first week of it. Joe Lang is watching there as well. How are you, Joe? Hope you're okay over there. Carly Hayden is in there as well. And Nina Western and Neil Fitzpatrick is watching. Cindy Widmer and Nicholas A. Glover are watching as well. Shoot in a couple of requests. I never checked the comments after I put up the old thingy-majig. After I put up the... For fuck's sake, what did I put up? I put up when I shared the post. I never checked that in there, but... It's not the age, it's the mileage. That's right. It's the lighting as well, makes me look very tired as well, you know. Good. About to cook some pasta for the tea. That's alright. I'll just sing one more song and then I'm going to pour myself a pint of Guinness here. Let me see what I do here. Something handy there for me. Let me see. I'll do Old Dan Tucker. A song I always indeed start off by. Old Dan Tucker was a fine old man. He washed his face in a frying pan. He combed his hair with a wagon wheel. He died with a toothache in his seal. I said, get out the way, Old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, Old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Now Old Dan Tucker, he came to town. He was riding a billy goat, was leading the hound. The hound dog barked and the billy goat jumped. He landed the poor Tucker right on a stump. I said, get out the way, Old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, Old Dan Tucker. You're too late to get your supper. Now Old Dan Tucker got drunk and fell. He fell into the fire, he kicked up holy hell. A red hot coal gone into his shoe. And oh my Lord, how the ashes flew. I said, get out the way, Old Dan Tucker. You're too late First to the right, then to the left, and then to the girl that he liked best. I said, get out the way, old Nantucket, you're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Nantucket, you're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Nantucket, you're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Nantucket, you're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Nantucket, you're too late to get your supper. Get out the way, old Nantucket, you're too late to get your supper. Thanks very much, old Nantucket, yeah, big old fecker, yeah. Okay, let me see, turn off that, and turn on that, and what do I have? So I don't need that open anymore. So I think I'm, oh no, feck it anyway. Sugar Puffs. I'm missing the chat on YouTube and Twitch. Let me get that up here now. Actually, I was only looking at the Facebook one. Let me see. Oh, of course, I won't log in there. No, that's not too bad. Typical. Come on. I just logged in with it a few seconds ago. I swear to God, technology is actually getting worse. I just got logged out on my chat. I can't pin a comment. I don't know if that's just Facebook. I saw a few requests coming up there. Kerosene like Zombie there as well. Okay, let's see what the chats come up here. Hi to all. Daniela Steinbuck is in there as well. How are you getting on? So let me see. I'll have to. Stupid Facebook. I'll have to open up this again here. And music. Okay, where am I here? Can't even play the video on can't even play the video on that. Jeez, that's annoying. Sorry guys, just if you can bear with me there for a minute. Anyone else finding Facebook absolutely mental at the moment? You can't do loads of stuff on it. It's just glitchy as feck. I can't scroll back through the comments either as well. If I go out and come back into it. How are you, Toby? How are you getting on? And Toby, I listened to the 2 tracks you sent me, Rotten and Bog, and right on there as well. Absolutely savage stuff there. Thanks for sending them on. I listened to them there when I was setting up there today. So fair play, man. Great recordings there as well. Okay. I saw the zombie there as well. Came in there. Anything from Cranberries. I might try another Cranberries one that I've never done before, but I like it. I could try that. What's it called? I think it's called Dreams. I think I'd love to try that. Sorry, I just want to try and see if I can log in here on my new phone. Right, I might, let me see. What did I say I was going to do there? Kerosene light. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Kerosene light, okay. I don't know who's looking for this one, lads. Pop in your request there again, because I'm after missing loads of the stuff. The last message I can see here is Daniela's on Hi to All. And then I have the rest of them after that there as well. As the snow fell, right on. For Becky Harty, I'll do them for you. And someone's looking for Green Day, I think there. Sarah Louise Locklear. Gotta go, unfortunately. Sabine, no problem. Thanks for dropping by. Have a nice evening. Hope you're doing okay over there at all this madness. Paul O'Brien is in there as well. Happy New Year to you as well, Paul. I hope it's the time of your life. I'll do that one. It's a class song. It's an old favourite. Can I get the one about the dog? No problem, Paul O'Brien. I'll do that one for you. Let me just do this one here first. And I'll warm up the old voice. I remember the time when my granddad and I would sit by the fire at night, and I listened to stories of how he once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. And by the glow of the kerosene light, he said, Mom and Dad sent me off to school, where I learned how to read and to write. And they listened for hours as I read from my books by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light, your grandma and I, we were wed at 16. Lord, she was a beautiful sight. And proudly I placed the ring on her hand by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. About 1 year later, your daddy was born, and your grandma held my hand so tight. Oh, I can't tell the joy as she brought forth new life by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. But having that child, it did weaken her so. She just wasn't up for the fight. But she looked so peaceful as she went to her rest by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. was as now. The times they were hard. To succeed, you would try all your might. And sometimes love bloomed, and sometimes dreams died. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Well, I remember the time when my granddad and I would sit by the fire at night, and I listened to stories of how he once lived. By the glow of the kerosene light. 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 Thanks very much. And that was By the Glow of the Kerosene Light. They're a Canadian song. And I also always say when I sing that song, you should check out the version. Oh, the version that the Once do, a Canadian band, and a version that Hermitage Green, our own Hermitage Green, do of that. And both versions are very different, but they're absolutely class. Paddy Patrick, how you, Paddy? Good morning, campers. Basket. Okay, I better start getting through these requests, because I ain't gonna get through them all if I don't. But first I'll do again, no painting in us here. Let me see if I can pour this without ruining my equipment like I normally do. And now some people say just dump it in. I just can't do it. I just can't. And hope you had a good one, Paddy. Yeah, a good New Year's and all that kind of stuff there. You might have been the first in the old in the posse to celebrate it. Would I be right in saying that? Maybe not. Jesus. I got the shakes. I'll let that settle there for a few seconds. So, did Key wake you up? Maybe I did. I'll follow you into the dark. Okay. Keep popping in them. I did, Adrian Murray, I did Go Lassie Go already. Yvonne Dotman is in there as well. I think I said that already. And Adrian Murray, I did I started off with Go Lassie Go, pal. I might be able to do it before I finished again there. And Don Sova's in there as well. Any or all these ones will do. I don't have Who'll Get On With the Schoolyard, Katie, but I put it on my list, and I'll have to go over that one there. Riptide, The Fox, Super Trooper, Teardrop. Oh yeah, that was on the thing there. I was going over that there yesterday. That's why I put that up on my thing there, but I don't know it yet. I was going through it. Instrumental of it after. Okay, so let me try. What did I say I was going to do? I'll do Zombie here and see. child is slowly taken, and the violence caused such silence. We must be mistaken. But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they're fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns, their guns. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 yo. Oh, 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 oh. Another mother's breaking heart is taken over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they're dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 yo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ya da da da. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 yo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ya da da da. Bit of zombie there for you, Cranberries. I might try another Cranberries song thereafter. I put it on my list there ages ago. I went over once or twice. Might try that one after. Okay, let's get through the old request there as well. What else did I see there that came in there ages ago? Time of Your Life. Okay. Pint. Bit of Green Day. Okay. So Time of Your Life, and then keep shooting in the old the one about the dog as well. I remember. Keep shooting in the old request there as well, because I won't wait to see the comments there. I think I prefer to see the comments, and for you to keep popping in the requests there in case I forget them. I'm gonna. I see something there about Paul. Did you have? He's still waiting. Oh, the little girl is due in 11 days. That's right. And very exciting. It's like the most exciting thing, I'd say. Paul waiting for that to come along, and I'm delighted for you, pal. It must be absolutely heaven, waiting for a little baby to pop along. Okay, so I'll do Green Day, Time of Your Life here. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best, just question, don't ask why. It's not a question, it's a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. Well, I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind. Hang them on a shelf, it could have been good times. Tattoo the memories, dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. But I hope you had the time of your life. Something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. But I hope you had the time of your life. I can't help put on the accent. Tell me do that. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. But I hope you had the time of your life. Have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Well, I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. It's the lack of sex that's bringing me down. Well, I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. To quit my whining, God, it's bringing her down. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? To control, so I better hold on. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. All keeps adding up, and I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I just stoned? Am I just paranoid? I think I'm stoned. Thank you very much. Two of my favourite Green Day songs. And I must do another one there. You know that one? I think it's The Starry Nights, City Lights Rolling Down. Starry Nights, City Lights Rolling Down. I think it's Are We the Waiting or something like that. Anyway, that's some Green Day for you. Couldn't hear exactly what you were saying about the MP3s earlier. I was in the kitchen and couldn't hear it properly. Toby, I downloaded that. I know we never downloaded it for the freaking road trip we were on there. We had a gig there up the country there. A few days ago, a wedding actually last week. I was supposed to download the stuff for that, but we downloaded the stuff and we got the your version of Right On and Rattling Bog as well, and they are deadly. So fair play to you. Good recordings. Very impressed, man. Okay. Am I on? So guys, if you feel like sharing the old stream there, please feel free to do that if you want there. And I saw the a few people using the old. Let me see what is that. Let me see, is this working here? I put please email or phone number, password. What more do you want, Facebook? May as well just do. I'll just do the one about the dog, I suppose. Now I think for Paul. Sponsored in Nancy, Spain. That's right, Kelly. How are you, Kelly? Man, I'm so sick of Facebook. I'm not even joking. I wish we were all off it. I can't. It just does not work for me at all. It's ridiculous. Copy. Paste. Save. Stupid job. Start a tour. Go away over there. Request Ordinary Man. I'll do that one for your Ordinary Man. So let me do. I'll do the one about the dog. Then I'll do Nancy Spain, and maybe the band playing Waltzing Matilda, and then I'll do a girl named Lanigan, and then I'll do Ordinary Man. Okay, so I finally logged in here to this thing, and man, oh man, ridiculous. Can't I'll do it after. What did I say I was going to do? Oh yeah, what's it called? Master McGrath. I left my glasses downstairs. Let's see if I might be able to do this. I don't know my glasses. Takes a lot of concentration. Let's try it. Oh, hold on. My elf has brought me my glasses. Thanks, babe. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, it's behind me. Which means she's listening. These yolks as well. Now that you're in the music lounge, Kelly. Excuse me. Okay. 1869 being the date and the year, those Waterloo sportsmen and more did appear, for to gain the great prizes and bear them away, never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. On the 12th of November, the day of renown, McGrath and his keeper, they left Lurgan town. A gale in the channel, it soon drove them more. On the 13th they landed on England's fair shore. Oh well, when they arrived there in big London town, those great English sportsmen were gathered around, and one of those gentlemen standing nearby, he said, "Is that the great dog you call Master McGrath?" Oh well, one of those gentlemen standing around says, "I don't care a damn for your Irish greyhound." And another said with a scornful ha-ha, "We'll soon humble the pride of your Master McGrath." Lord Lundgren care forward, he said, "Gentlemen, if there's any amongst you that has money to spend, why, your grand English nobles, I don't care a straw. Here's 5,000 to 1 upon Master McGrath." Well, McGrath, he looked up and he wagged his old tail, informing his lordship, "Sure, I know what you mean. Don't fear Old Brown, no, don't fear them, McGrath. We'll soon tarnish their laurels," says Master McGrath. Oh well, Rose stood uncovered, the great English pride. Her master and keeper were close by her side. They let them away and the crowd cried hurrah. the old pride of all England and Master McGrath. Oh, well, Rose and the Master, they both ran along. I wonder, says Rose, what took you from your home? You should have stayed there over in your Irish domain, and not to come to gain laurels of Albion's plain. Well, I know, says the Master, we have wild heather bogs, but indeed in all Ireland there's good men and good dogs. Lead and all Britannia, give none of your jaw. Well, stuff that up your nostrils, says Master McGrath. Well, the hare she led on just as swift as the wind. He was sometimes before her and sometimes behind. He jumped on her back and he held out his paw. Well, long live the Republic, says Master McGrath. The one about the dog running after the rabbit. Not about the rabbit running away from the dog, but that's the one about the dog running after the rabbit and winning against the other dog. Okay, so Nancy Spain. Let me see, Ordinary Man there as well. Nancy Spain, of all the stars. This key here and see. Guys, thanks for tuning in there as well. I do appreciate it. And shoot in the old request there as well there. And Happy New Year to you if we haven't said it to you already. Oh no. I just got signed out of it. Oh man. I just got signed out of my the chat. Fire hydrants. There's none. Traffic lights. Loads of them. You're gonna have to shoot in your request there again. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Log in. That's ridiculous. I have all the chats together, see the Twitch and the YouTube and the Facebook chat all in this one app, and it just signed me out. No, it's not letting me sign back in. Man, what is going on? No, it's working. Let me try here again. I'll try and log in here. Jesus Christ. Is frustrating. Do I have? Okay, hold on, just bear with me here for a second. that's it. They're logging me in without me even doing anything. Jesus. Just drink your pint, pal, and play on. It'll on all else fails. We're here no matter what. We're back on it here now again. And okay. Sorry about that. Just Facebook isn't working right. I can't pin a comment. Restream keeps logging me out here. I think all the big tech companies are all like updating stuff, and everything's glitchy. I think gotta love technology. Not Kerosene Light, and she moved to the fair. I've done Kerosene Light, Terry, and you're very welcome to stream, by the way. But I'll do She Moved to the Fair. And right on there, Peggy Harty was looking for that one, and there's another one you're looking for as well, Peggy. And if you can remember, if you can write, it was right on something else as well. But here's Nancy Spain, or some kind of version of it. Of all the stars that ever shone, not one does twinkle like your pale blue eyes. Like golden corn at harvest time, your hair. Sailing in my boat, the wind that gently blows and fills my sails. Your sweet scented breath is everywhere. Daylight peeping through the curtain of passing nighttime is your smile. And the sun in the sky is like your laugh. Come back to me, my Nancy, and linger for just a little while. Since you left the shores I've known no peace or joy. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, if you'll return again. Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? On the day in spring when snow starts to melt and streams starts to flow, with the birds I'll sing this song. Then in a while I'll wander down by Bluebell Stream where wildflowers grow, and I hope that lovely Nancy will return. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, if you'll return again. Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, will you return again? Where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Oh, where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Nancy Spain. do Right On here now as well. That one there is for Kelly. Kelly. Where's my... And I know Paddy Patrick likes that one there as well. And so let me do thanks very much, guys. Thank you. So here's a bit of Right On. Keep throwing in the old requests there again, in case I forget them. Ordinary Man is coming up after this one here, Right On, and then the band played Waltzing Matilda as well. Here's Right On. Drew you right, the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. And you ride that horse so well, with hands light to the touch. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. And you ride into the night without a trace behind. Run your claw along my gut one last time. I turn to face in empty space where you used to lie. I look for a spark that lights the dark like a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Better ride on, man. Right on there for you. Ordinary Man is coming up next. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Christy just finishing up in is Christy Moore in Kevin is High School Prophets there in there. How are you getting on? Is he just finishing up there in Vicar Street tonight? Is that right? That's right, 7:30. If you don't know what's going on in Ireland, they shut everything down at 8:00, so nothing goes on past 8:00. So it's a very weird situation. Back in the kitchen and starting to cook me tea. No bother, Rebecca. Oh, is it the pasta is tonight? Is that right? Right on, man. Okay. Okay, let's do a. What's this one here? Ordinary Man. I think it was Sarah Louise looking for this one here, I think. As far as I know, as far as I remember. And I'm actually, Vicar Street is only about 1 minute walk from me. I can see it from here. Well, I'm an ordinary man, nothing special, nothing grand. I had to work for everything I own, and I never asked for a lot. I was happy with what I've got, enough to keep my family and my home. Now they say the times are hard, and they've handed me my card. They say there's not the work to go around, and when the whistle blows, oh, the gates will finally close. Tonight they're gonna shut this factory down, and they'll tear it down, and they'll tear it down. Well, I never missed a day or went on strike for better pay. For 20 years I gave the best I could. With a handshake and a check, it's so easy to forget the loyalty through the bad times and the good. Now the owner says he's sad to see that things have got so bad, but the captains of industry won't let him loose. And he still smokes a big cigar, and he drives his brand new car, and still he takes his family on a cruise. He'll never lose, he'll never lose. Well, now it seems to me such a cruel irony. He's richer than he ever was before, and now my check is spent, and I can't afford the rent. One law for the rich, one law for the poor. And every day I try to salvage some of my pride, that I might find some work to pay my way. Oh, but everywhere I go, now the answer is always no. There's no work here for anyone today. No work today, no work today, no work today, no work today. Well, now here condemned I stand, just an ordinary man, like the thousands here before me in the queue. And I watched me darling wife trying to bake the best of a life. God knows what the kids are going to do now that we are faced with this human waste, a generation cast aside. For as long as I live, oh, I never will forgive. They've stripped me of my dignity and pride. Oh, they stripped me bare. Oh, they stripped me bare. No work today. No work today. Thanks very much. There is a song called Ordinary Man. Okay, let me see. Let me try this one here. The band played Waltz of Matilda. Bones. Yom Payne's Bones stuck in my head all morning. Any chance of it? I can try Tom Payne's Bones. It's a bit shitty without Bowie, but I'll definitely try it for you. And Boston Rose, Lakes Pontchartrain, absolutely. Did I miss the fiddle playing? No. I'm not too sure there's going to be any fiddle playing, Renata, and it's nice to have you in the stream there as well. I don't think I said hello to you. These headphones are very itchy. Let me see what else did I see. Gigs. Key pasta, adding sausages and bacon to it. Oh, jeez, I'm hungry now. Enjoy that anyway. I'm just drinking a few pints here. Nancy Spain by Barney Rush. Christy just finished up. You must be a big fan of Christy, Kevin, are you? Like, you know, fans like yourself would kind of know who wrote all the songs. Some other Christy fans just think Christy wrote all the songs. There's nothing wrong with him not writing all the songs, you know, because he's singing songs that people really want to be heard, you know, and he's the way to do it. We should sing a few of our songs. Let me see. We have to get the old the yodel and pickle and the bird whistle going there as well. It's just everything is just so awkward all the time. Now when I was a young man and I carried me pack, let's try this one. Don't like any of these. Back to the drawing board. Oh, I think it was up here. Now when I was a young man, I carried me pack, and I lived the free life of a rover. From the Murray's green basin to the dusty outback, while I waltzed my Matilda all over. Then in 1915, my country said, son, it's time you stopped rambling, there's work be done. So they gave me a tin hat and they gave me a gun, and they marched me away to the war. And the band played waltzing Matilda as the ship pulled away from the quay. And amidst all the cheers, the flag waving and tears, we sailed off for Gallipoli. And how well I remember that terrible day. Our blood stained the sand and the water, and how in that hell they called Silver Bay, we were butchered like lambs at the slaughter. Johnny Turkey was waiting, he primed himself well, and he showered us with bullets, and he rained us with shell, and in 5 minutes flat, he'd have blown us to hell, nearly blew us right back to Australia. But the band played Waltzing Matilda when we stopped to bury our slain. Oh, we buried ours and the Turks buried theirs, and then we started all over again. And those that were left, well, we tried to survive in that mad world of blood, death and fire. And for 10 weary weeks, well, I kept myself alive, though around me the corpses piled higher. Then a big Turkish shell knocked me arse overhead, and when I awoke in me hospital bed, and I saw what had done, well, I wished I was dead. Never knew there was worse things than dying. For no more I'll go waltzing Matilda all around the green burst far and free. To hum tent and pegs, a man need both legs. No more waltzing Matilda for me. So they gathered the crippled, the wounded, the maimed, and they shipped us right back to Australia. Oh, the legless, the armless, the blind, the insane, those proud wounded heroes of Suvla. And as our ship pulled into Circular Bay, I looked at the place where me legs used to be, and I thank Christ there was nobody there waiting for me to grieve and to mourn and to pity. But the band played Waltzing Matilda as they carried us down the gangway. But nobody cheered, they just stood there and stared. Then they turned all their faces away. And now every April I sit on me porch and I watch as the parades pass before me, and I see me old comrades, how proudly they march, reviving old dreams of past glories. And the old men march slowly, old bones stiff and store, they're tired old heroes from an old forgotten war. And the young people ask, what were they marching for? And I ask myself the very same question. But the band played Waltzing Matilda, and the old men still answer the call. But as year follow years, more old men disappear. Someday no one will march there at all. Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, will come a waltzing Matilda with me, and the ghosts may be heard as they march by that billabong. Will come a waltzing Matilda with me. Oh, that's a sad song, isn't it? Lovely, lovely song. That was for Kelly there. I was looking for that one there, Kelly. Beautiful, beautiful song. Does the bird whistle work better with whiskey? Oh, would I waste whiskey by pouring into the bird whistle? Is right here, by the way. I'm just waiting for the next stream for us to use it. I don't have anything in at the moment there. But speaking of drinking, I'm gonna pour another pint here. So, there's It's my ride or die banjo playing partner. So keep shooting in their requests there, lads, and I'll do them if I can. Absolutely. I just need to know what they are again, because I went out with my chat and back into it there as well. That wasn't a great pour, but alright. Don't think I'll get it all in here. It's okay. We won't follow over that, will we? We won't. So I don't know who's on what yet. Let me see. Most people are on Facebook. I'm not too sure who's on YouTube or Twitch there. But I can see Terry Torres is on YouTube. There might be a few more there people there listening as well that don't be commenting, and Kevin is on there as well. Yeah, he was on at 6, probably singing Right On at the same time. That's mad. Yeah, Vicar Street is only there. That's where it is. I can see it there. And the roof of Vicar Street went on fire last year, actually. But it was only it wasn't a major fire, I don't think. If they're back in there anyway, playing already. I will follow you into the dark. Daniela was looking for that one. Okay, I still have that one here. Daniela, if you're still listening there, I will follow you into the dark. And anything else I missed, lads, pop it in there again. I think I'm kind of on top of them mostly. Mostly. She moved to the fair. That's right. Okay, let me do and Riptide. Please. What's the silver fox? The actual fox? Okay, I'll do the fox and the Riptide, and I'll do Fields of Athenry. I'm going to keep this one here in front of me as the snow fell. Okay, so Jesus, what was the first one I said I was going to do there? How did I forget that already? What did I say I was going to do there before? Daniela said, follow you into the dark. That was it. And then I'll do the Fox and Listing Varna. I might do a verse or two, Listing Varna. I have the words for there somewhere. Und there. Let me see if I can remember it. Oh, maybe I don't have to remember it. I have it here. Okay. Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. I'll follow you into the dark. No blinding lights, through tunnels, through gates of white. Just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for a hint of a spark. Have heaven and hell in the sight, that they both are satisfied. Illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. There's no one beside you, your soul embarks, and I'll follow you into the dark. In Catholic schools, as vicious as Roman rules, I got my knuckles bruised by a lady in back, and I held my tongue as she told me, son, fear is the heart of love, and I never went back. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. And me, I've seen everything to see, from Bangkok to Calgary. Soles of our shoes are all worn down. The time for sleep is now. There's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of moons. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you to the dark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. There's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you to the dark. Then I'll follow you into the dark. Thanks very much. There is that was for Daniela. She was looking for that one there. Beautiful song. Death Cab for a Cutie was the one who wrote that, or the band who wrote that. Rain Night in Soho. Okay. And she moved through the fair. And Riptide, Fields of Athenry as well. Okay. As the Snow Fell there was another one there. Maybe I'll do As the Snow Fell there. Because I know that one came in ages ago. Okay. The coolness was unforgettable, but a cold day can be so beautiful. Sadness did steal in and out. This girl has gone for now. We'll miss her, no doubt. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only of beauty that hour. The snow so pure fell from the sky, but snowflakes fall and nothing dies. Some angels lie. When angels lie. slight happiness if she were here. Seen her tear, she would be so mad to see you so sad. And as the snow fell upon their flowers, I thought only the beauty that hour. The snow so pure fell from the sky when snowflakes fall and nothing dies. Some angels fly, some angels fly. Every story was told with smiles, the tales of laughter echoed for miles. A visit to the square the night before, the times were had there, good memories to store. And as the snow fell upon the flowers, I thought only the beauty that hour. Snow so pure fell from the sky, the snowflakes fall and nothing dies. Some angels fly. And as the snow fell upon their flowers, I thought only beauty that hour. The snow so pure from the sky, when snowflakes fall and nothing dies. Some angels fly. Some angels fly. Some angels fly. Some angels fly. Thank you very much. There is As the Snow Fell there, and that was for John Hardy. I was looking for that one there. Okay. Stay out of it. Okay, what's next? As the Snow Fell and something with harmonica. Alright, I'll do As the Snow Fell because that's Rainy Night in Soho, because that's got the harmonikunku and Fields of Baton Rye, in Riptide, and then the Fox, and something else. I'll do this one here, and then I'll do She Moved Through the Fair, and I'll do the other stuff there, the Fox and all that stuff. There's a little bit left in that can. You go into that. Waste not, want not. Okay. Now, let me get this over here. What's this? Just use that one. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years and down all the days, and I cried for all your troubles, smiled at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell, and some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped in to your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not dreaming of the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. Oh, I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Well, still there's a light you hold before me. Now you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Well, my young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you with a lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. And she went away from me, and she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her. She moved here and moved there, and then she went onward, just one star awake, like a swan in the evening moves over the lake. Last night my love came to me, my dead love came in. So softly she moved that her feet made no din, and she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. Well, my young love said to me, my mother won't mind, my father won't slight you with a lack of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. Thank you very much. There is She Moved Through the Fair. That was for Terry, was looking for that one there. Okay, Fees of Atten Right, and then we're going to do The Fox and a bit of Riptide, and I'll see if I can get the words to this tune, Varna. I think I might have them there. by the lonely prison wall, I heard a young girl calling, Michael, they have taken you away, for you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young might see the morn. Now the prison ship lies waiting down in the bay. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry, by the lone prison wall, I heard a young man calling. Nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the famine and the crown, you rebelled, they dragged you down. Now you must raise our child with dignity. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Harbour wall, she watched the last star falling, as the prison ship sailed out against the sky. Sure she'll live and hope and pray for love in Botany Bay. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Low lie the fields of Athenry, once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Thank you very much. There's the fields of Athenry there for you. Muchos gracias there. And guys, I hope you're enjoying the music there so far. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday there as well. And thanks for everyone there for sharing there and tuning in and commenting and requesting all that kind of stuff. Keep the requests coming there. I'll squeeze as much as I can in there. And thanks for the tips there as well. A few PayPals coming through there as well. Some lovely messages there as well. I appreciate that. I wasn't able to pin the PayPal link there, so don't worry about it anyway. If you can find it, you can find it if you want. Otherwise, don't worry about it. I'll be back on again probably during the week. But let me see. Keep the requests coming, and if you don't mind sharing or tagging people, and because there is, we have picked up an extra few people here over the last couple of months. TCR and Bob Marley there for Kelly, absolutely. I'll do that for you. One of my favourite little medleys. So I'm going to do the Fox here and the Riptide as well, and the Fox, and maybe do I have a bit of Listune Varna here at all? Did I because I remember downloading the lyrics and listening to it and reading the lyrics. And how's it going there, Reverend? Because he does it crazy. Christy. Like it's I could try. I could do a verse of it and a few choruses of it. Just doing Varna. The Fox list doing Varna. Why wouldn't I? Okay, Riptide for first anyway. Something like that, I think. Oohs and ahs and all these new modern songs. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in the dreams. And a common stock lady running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and move to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And a common stock lady running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. Oh, I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen, the closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Lady running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Whoa, lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Okay, I should have gone into something there straight after there, but then let me go into let me get the harmonica here, and I'll do the fox and a bit of doing snarling that I've never done before, but let's try it. And my ear harmonica is broken, so I can't use that. So which means I need to push it up to B flat, which I think is also broken. Let me check. And then let me check the Guinness here to see what it's like. The Guinness. Oh shit. Guinness is good. Tastes of lockdown. That's what it tastes like. Okay. Let me get a tighter bass drum for this bad boy, because this is speedy. Okay. So this one's for Katie, and that last one there was for Katie there as well. Katie. Keith and playing Sundays is all the reason I need. Praise Jesus. John Timaeus, happy New Year to you, pal. Very nice to have you on the stream there and over there on Twitch. I'm doing the amalgamated chat here, so everything's mixed in here. But you're very welcome to the stream, man. Again, I hope you had a good one. a good Christmas and a good New Year's there as well, and hope the 2022 is going okay for you, man. And we'll have to touch base with you again. The progression is like Copperhead Road. Terry, yeah, you're right. You're not the first person that said that, actually. Why the Band is in there as well on YouTube. How are you getting on? What's the story? I hope you're doing okay over there in Canada. And any requests thrown in there and I'll do it. I'm way behind Mary Medley. If I have time for that one, John Harty, I'll do that one for you for sure. Snishtun Snarma. Here's the fox anyway. He's haven't done this one in ages. Pull back that a little bit. Well, the fox came out on a chilly night. He prayed for the moon to give him light. He many miles to go the night before he reached the town. Oh, town, oh, town, oh. He had many miles to go that night before he reached the town. Oh. Well, he ran to the king, to the farmer's den. The dukes and the kids so kept him and said a couple of years gonna grease my chin or I'll leave this town. Oh, town, oh, town, oh. Said a couple of years gonna grease my chin or I'll leave this town. Oh. By the neck and he threw a duke across his back. He didn't mind the quack, quack, quack and the legs all dangling down. Oh, down, oh, down, oh, no. He didn't mind the quack, 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 legs all dangling down. Oh, well, oh, but the hopper jumped out of bed and down in the window she popped her head. She cried, John, John, the goose is gone, the fox is on the town. Oh, town, oh, town, oh. She cried, John, John, the goose is gone, the fox is on the town. Oh. From then and there's the little ones 8, 9, 10 crying daddy, daddy, go back again for they must be mighty fine town. Oh, town, oh, town, oh, daddy, daddy, better go back again for they must be mighty fine town. Oh, well, the fox and his wife without any stripe cut up the goose with a fork and a knife, and they never had such a supper in their lives with a little what tunes on the bones. Oh, bones, oh, bones, oh. They never had such a supper in their lives with a little one tunes on the bones. Oh. Here we are in the County Clare. It's a long way here from Clare to here. There's the Burn and the Cliffs of Moher, the Tulla and the Kilfenora, Michael Russell and Dr. Bill, Willie Clancy and Noel Hill. Flutes and fiddles everywhere. If it's music you want, you go to Clare. Whoa, it's still Varna. Here down, it's still Varna. Oh, it's still Varna. No, we're still Varna. Oh no, everybody needs needs a break, climb a mountain or jump on a lake. Some head off to exotic places, other goes to the Galway places. Matty goes to the south of France, Jim to the dogs, Peter to the dance. And a cousin of mine, he goes potholing, cousin of his loves Joe Dolan. Summer comes around, each year we go here and they come here. Some jet off to Frihijana, I always go to Lisdoonvarna. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, yeah, Lisdoonvarna. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, oh now Lisdoonvarna. I always leave here on a Thursday night, me tent and me round cheek up tight. I go till Lisdoon on a Friday afternoon. This gives me the time to put up me tent, up me gear together. I don't need to worry about the weather. Ramble in for a pint of stout, you never know who'll be hanging about. There's a Dutchman playing a mandolin and a German looking for Lee O'Flynn. There's Adam Bono, Gareth Fitzgerald, getting their photos taken in the Sunday World. Finbar Charlie and Jim Hard, and they thinking and up to the bait the band. Why wouldn't they, for Jesus' sake? Aren't they getting it for nothing? Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, yeah now Lisdoonvarna. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, oh Lisdoonvarna. The multitudes, they flocked in tongues to hear the music and the songs. Motorbikes and highest vans with bottle barrels, flagons, cans. Mighty crack, loads of relics, pioneers and alcoholics. Black smoke, FCA, Nick Nicky and the IRA. Hairy chests and milk white ties, Mickey Dodders in disguise. McGraths, O'Briens, Pippins, Coxes, and Sarge Potters in horse boxes. There's Amadons, Varons and Novadons. Arab sheiks, Hindu sheiks, Jesus freaks. RTE are making tapes, taking breaks and throwing shapes. This is heaven, this is hell, but who cares, who can tell? Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, ah, Lisdoonvarna. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, ah, Lisdoonvarna. I'll go for dawn. A 747 for Jackson Brown. They had to build a special runway to get him down. Before the chieftains could start to play, 7 creamy pies came out in a tray. Sherga was written by Lord Lookin', Sean Cannon did the backstage cooking. Clonard were playing Harry's Game, Christy was singing Nancy Spain, Mary O'Hara and Rush Shields together singing The Four Green Fields. Van der Man and Emmy Lou, Even Hearts and Thanks to You Too. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna, yeah, no, Lisdoonvarna. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna. Lisdoonvarna. Everybody needs a break. I did that one already. Do it again. Everybody needs a break. Climb a mountain or jump on the lake. Sean Doherty goes to the road to Tralee. Oliver goes swimming in the Holly Sea. I like music, open air. Every summer I go to Clare, cause the Woodstock, Knockner, Gate and Clare can hold a match to Lisdoonvarna. Does that rhyme? Whoa, Lisdoonvarna. Yeah, Lisdoonvarna. Whoa, Lisdoonvarna. Lisdoonvarna there, I got loads of that mixed up there, but sure, I was going 100 miles an hour and I never did a live before. But anyway, that's for Katie. Paul, I just saw your message there. I got a call it there. Do you want to hang on for one more? And I'll try and do Tipping Up the Nancy for you if you want. But I totally understand. I have to do my own Netflix Prosecco duty in about 30 minutes. But if you want, I can try and do, I think you said Tipping Up Nancy there a little while ago. I thought I saw that. If you're still there, if not, there's no schnitters in a schnotter. Okay. Snip, snoop, snarma, repeat loop. Okay. Can't find the play panic. I put it up at the start. Renat, I couldn't. I gave up on it there. The technology is against me here today. I can't even. I couldn't even pin the comment, the thing. So I just left it. Sorry. I'll see if I can do it again here. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Copy URL and it's just mental the stuff going on me see here. This got a new phone there as well, and still doesn't work on it. In this comment. There's the I put up the thing there, guys. Don't feel like you have to do one there. I think that's the PayPal link there, and don't feel free or feel free not to if you don't want to. Last order, and yes, last order. Marcel Dotman, nothing but the same old story. Yes, I'll do that one for you. Absolutely. Nothing like a mistake when you're live makes it real. Patricia Campbell, now you're talking. I like your style. That's what I always say. The more mistakes, the better. Isn't that right? Lee Western, take a breath. I should have took a breath, but the phrasing is all crazy in that one there. But you have, I think musicians, and Christy even takes a bit of liberty. Thanks, Renata. Take liberty with that one there. Christy, as I said, takes liberties when he's singing that. He rephrases differently every single time, I think. Start from the 21st of August, in your anniversary. Okay. So I'll do none but the same old story, and I'll do a bit of Creedence and a bit of Bob Marley there as well. Las Vegas and Hilly Donegal. Sunday's Dream as well. I'll do that one for you as well, Rebecca, Jackie. Hope do some Elvis. Oh, his birthday was yesterday. Elvis's birthday. Okay. Let me do what did I say I was going to do? I forgot already. I'll do You Can Go On Together with Suspicious Minds. That one there. For Elvis. And then I'll do not with the same old story then after that. I'll keep that in front of me so I know. Thanks, Timothy. We're caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, why can't you see what you're doing to me? When I don't believe a word I say, we can't go on together with suspicious minds. We can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. So for no friend I know, stop to say hello. What I see is suspicion in your eyes. Here we go again, asking where I've been. Can't you see these tears are real? I'm crying. We can't go on together with suspicious minds. We can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. Whoa, let our love survive, and I'll dry these tears from your eyes. Don't let a good thing die. Well, honey, you know I've never lied to you. Caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, why Why can't you see what you're doing to me? What you don't believe a word I say. Don't you know I'm caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, barking all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, barking all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You said you was high class, that was just a lie. You ain't nothing but a high class, that was just a lie. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, barking all the time. Oh, yeah. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, barking all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Actually, much there is a little bit of Elvis there for you. I couldn't think of anything else I could put on after there that I'd know. I'm not really sure there. I do with threefold keyboard whistle bar on. Love a good mistake. Happy birthday there to Elvis there. I don't know how old he would have been. Would he been 80, something like that? I'm not sure. I can't remember how old he would have been. 90 maybe. Because he died. Did he die young? Died in his 50s, wasn't it? I can't remember. I can't figure it out. And if people still think he's alive, then that means he could be 80 or 90 or something like that, or 100 or something. Hope you get to play lots of gigs this year, but hope there'll be room for lots of fins. Yes, it's a tricky one, that Catherine, definitely tricky there. There's only a couple of gigs coming back here at the moment there. As I said, they've still got things restricted here in Ireland, and they continue to do so. I don't know what's going on. They're killing the music industry. A lot of my musician friends, they're all working out. They won't be coming back to play music for a long time, and who can blame them? Because there's nothing for them, no festivals, no anything. Although we're doing myself and Boo, you're doing the Trad Fest there in a couple of weeks there. Really looking forward to that there. Delighted. It's a class festival, we're delighted to be doing it, and it's where we cut our teeth for a long time as well. He died in 77 at the age of 42. Right, so someone do the maths. Who's good at maths? 77, 87, 97, 2007, 17, 40. Oh, no, he wouldn't be. Oh, he would be. He'd be 80, he'd be 90 or something like that. He just went home. Okay, let me do a bit of Creedence and a bit of Bob Marley there for you. For Kelly, looking for this one here. And then I saw Sonny's Dream. And I saw another few bits and pieces coming in there as well. So I'll try and get to them. Let me see, he'll be here as well. Okay, nice one. Attaboy. Sonny's Dream. Lots of talking. Alto does. No, yes, we do lots of talking on the stream. Alto, apologies, pal. Have to have a little chat though. Have to have a little chat to people there. Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. We'll do that one for Israel. Patricia Campbell looking for that one there. And okay. So here's I'll do a bit of Creedence and a bit of Bob Marley. Then I'm going to do Sonny's Dream, and then something else I saw there as well. Not with the same old story. I will do that one for you, Marcel. Maybe I'll do that one for you now because you're waiting there for ages for that one. And then I'll do this one here. Okay, so nothing but the same old story. Okay, here we go. Let me bring that. I got my glasses. castle now, so I can bring this back a little bit. I was just about 19 when I landed on their shore with my eyes big as headlights. Like the thousands of thousands that came before, I was gonna be something. A smile at the man scrutinizing my face as I stepped down off at the gangway. Came down through their city where I were a poor man, he's a year, built 100 houses. 500,000 pints of beer, living under suspicion, putting up with the hatred and fear in their eyes. You can see that you're nothing but a murderer. Yeah, in their eyes, we're nothing but a bunch of murderers. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging, I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion, rolls down the siren side. But look out, yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. I'm sick of watching them break up every time some bird brain puts us down, making jokes on the radio. I guess it helps them all drown out the sound of the crumbling foundations. Any fool can see the writings on the wall, but they just don't believe that it's happening. There's a crowd says I'm alright, should they like my turn of phrase, take me round to their parties. I like them dressed up monkey in a cage and I play my accordion. Whoa, but when the wine seeps at the facade, it's nothing but the same old story. Yeah, in their eyes, it's nothing but the same old story. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging, I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion, rolls down the siren side. But look out, yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Got a brother in Boston, said he sent me on the fair, just wrote me a letter, making out that he's cleaning up out there, the cars in the driveway, in a summer house way down in the Cape. I know he fixed me up in the morning, but I've been thinking about it, and it seems so far to go. But say in a winter, you get lost underneath the snow. Just a scar from my home place, we've been thinking about moving back and give it a try. So I never got around to going. Yeah, that's why I never got around to going. So hey Johnny, can't wait for Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging, I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion, rolls down the siren side. But look out, yeah, I said look out, yeah, I said look out, 'cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. What's a song? Nothing But the Same Old Story. 1981 was when that was released there on the album Heart Station, Paul Brady's album called Heart Station there. Nice one. Thanks very much, guys. Okay. 15 inches of snow in the driveway. Jesus. Is that what's going on over there at the moment, the snow over there? No bother, Marcel. Sorry that took too long, man. Okay, I'm going to do a bit of Creedence here and a bit of Bob Marley. Then I'm going to do Sonny's Dream, and then I don't know where I'm going to be then, guys. But if there was another one that came in there, it might be the only one that I'll be able to do for you. I'm not sure what it was. Hills of Donegal. I might have to finish with Hills of Donegal after Sonny's Dream. So, but I'm hoping I'll be able to go live there during the week there again. I see trouble on the way. Oh, I see the earthquakes and lightning. Oh, I see the bad times today. Don't go around tonight, first bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Don't go around tonight, first bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I hear the hurricanes blowing. I know the end is coming soon, but I fear the rivers overflowing. And I hear the voice of rage and ruin. Don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take a life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take a life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Well, I hope you've got your things together. Well, I hope you're quite prepared to die. Well, it looks like we're in for nasty weather. One eye is taken for an eye. Don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take a life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Don't go around tonight, for it's bound to take a life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Yeah, there's a bad moon on the rise. Yeah, there's government yard in Trenchtown. I've been serving the hypocrites, mingle with the good people we meet. Good friends we have, good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Ah, little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Yeah. Said I remember the one we used to sing in a government yard in Trenchtown. Yeah, and then Georgie would make the fire light, his log were burning through the night. Then we would cook cornmeal and porridge, oh, which I'd share with you. Oh, my feet is my only carriage, so I've got to push on through. Oh, while I'm gone, sing it. Everything is gonna be alright. 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 Keefin is in the house tonight. Everything is gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be. No, no woman, no cry. 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 Thanks very much. There is a song there called, two songs called Bad Moon Rising and a bit of Bob Marley there as well. No Woman, No Cry. I'm going to do Sonny's Dream, guys, and then I have to leave it off with the last one there. It will be Las Vegas and Hills of Donegal. So let me get Sonny's Dream here, and then because I get in trouble if I don't do what Paul O'Brien did. Paul O'Brien has the right idea. He knows what's going on. Keeping his pregnant missus happy. He doesn't want to get in trouble. Nobody wants to get in trouble. Would rather have. So I'm gonna do Sonny's Dream and then Las Vegas in the Hills of Donegal, and then I'm gonna drink my finish off my Guinness and continue on to the old Prosecco. Let me get a nice. This one's nicer. Sonny, don't go away. I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. The nights are so long and silence goes on. Now I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Sonny lives on a farm in a wide open space. You take off your shoes, son, stay out of the race. Lay down your head on a soft riverbed. Sonny always remembers the words his mommy says. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home. The nights are so long, the silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired, and I'm not all that strong. Sonny works on the land, though he's barely a man. There's not much to do, but he does what he can. He sits by the window in his room by the stairs, and he watches the waves gently wash upon the pier. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home. And nights are so long, the silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired, and I'm not all that strong. Many years have rolled on, Sonny's old and alone. His daddy the sailor never came home, and sometimes he wonders what his life might have been. But from the grave, his mammy still haunts his dreams. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home, and nights are so long, and silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired, and I'm not all that strong. Sonny, don't go away. Thanks very much, guys. I'll leave you off with this one here. This is a song called Las Vegas in the Hills of Donegal. More streams, please, for the worldwide fans, for the real gigs are not great. My sentiments exactly, Catherine, so hopefully we can rip out a couple of streams next couple of months. You may talk about Atlantis, of us lost beneath the sea, or the grave in the old soldier, or the cry of the old banshee. Who was the man in the iron mask Jack the Ripper set free? And as tomorrow was Donegal, it's still a mystery. And if I couldn't build a wall all around Donegal, well, nothing stand to keep them out by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Late night pubs, all night clubs, blackjack and roulette. Neil Daney, Bridget Nielsen, Mike Tyson having a bet. And in the show would be known for the filthy millionaires. And Donald Trump would like a chunk to live in solitaire. And if I could, I'd build a wall all around old Donegal. Nothing start to keep them out by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Standing top of a very girl would give me such a thrill. But I heard he said in Dublin, there's gold in them there hills. Don't despair, cause if you dare, the answer lies with me. There's a wall of steep, but it's going cheap somewhere in Germany. If I could, I'd build a wall all around old Donegal. Nothing start to keep them out by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Thanks very much, guys. Have you just joined us, Hanny74, the greetings from Germany. Guten Abend. I hope you're having a good one. I am finished up there. You just said you just cut the last 2 songs there, but thanks for tuning in anyway. Make sure you give my old Twitch. You're on Twitch there. I can see there. Give me a follow on the notification there, and I'll tell you when I'm going live there next. And I'd love to see you on the stream for whatever request you'd have there, of course. And guys, thanks very much. I do appreciate you tuning in here tonight, and I hope you enjoyed the music. I'm off to watch some film and drink some prosecco, I think. And for some reason, I'm absolutely bollocks, and I don't know why. The time of the year, I think. Let me just see if we can. If I'm logged into Twitch? No, I'm not. Forget about it. It's too hard to log in. Can't play along with you. Wouldn't hear it with the high D whistle. Thanks very much. Thanks, Catherine. I will enjoy the prosecco there, and Hanny74 there. Yeah, give us an old follow there if you want, or hit the notification bell, and I'll be going live probably twice a week for the next couple of weeks, 6 weeks or something like that, 5 weeks. And guys, thanks very much. I do appreciate it there, and. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I might see you back here again on might be Wednesday, I think. Wednesday or sorry, it might be Thursday. It could be Thursday, I think. See you back here on Thursday, and I do appreciate it. Thank you very much, and yeah, and have a good night. Have a good night, guys. Have a good night. Thank you, Hanny. Thank you. And if anyone else hasn't subscribed or hit the notification bell on YouTube. There you can search Kieran Finn Music, and you just give me a little subscribe. You see the big button, the subscribe button, on my YouTube channel, and the same on the Twitch as well. Key Finn Music, you'll see it there. Just you can follow without subscribing. I think it costs to subscribe, but you can just follow for free on Twitch. So do that there if you can, if you don't mind. That'd be fantastic. And the same on the Facebook page, Kieran Finn Music, and have a great Sunday. Enjoy the rest of the week, and hopefully I'll see you on Thursday.